वफाकी काबीना के इजलास के बाद तमाम साथियों के लिए नए ख्वाहिशात का इजहार करते हुए वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा कि हर मुश्किल सूरत हाल से निमटने में काबीना और स्टाफ ने भरपूर मुआवनत की। वज़ीर आज़म ने प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी, DMS और दीगर मुआवन स्टाफ की खदमात को भी सराहते हुए लायक तहसीन करार दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे लिए पाकिस्तान ही सब कुछ है। इस हवाले से मज़ीद उनका गुफ्तगू करते हुए क्या कहना था, आइए जानते हैं।
They have been a tremendous source of support and encouragement in all difficult situations, from the drivers, from the cooks, from the guards, to the principal secretary, to the military secretary, to the ADCs. Everyone behaved like a family, and they treated me like head of the family, and I'm so grateful for their support. I want to name all the individuals. Unfortunately, there is a huge staff, and that brings to your point to cut the size of the government. Next government should bring it to a reasonable size. But few individuals I definitely would name. Military secretary has been outstanding. His composure, his balanced sense of approaching administrative challenges related to the Prime Minister's office and its relationship with other government entities has been marvelous. The Principal Secretary and of course his support staff, be it DMS, the ADCs, the others. The Principal Secretary has proved to be a bridge of hope between Prime Minister's office and the